Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mahesopari. Hope you are doing great. In today's video, I'm very much excited to share with you 6 fantastic AI affiliate marketing programs that are not only beginner friendly but also come with lucrative payouts, including recurring commissions. Stick around until the end as I'll walk you through how to get started with these programs and start making money. And guys, by any chance, if you are really interested in my preferred way to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from home just by making use of your computer and internet connection, then I request you to please click the first link in the description. And also please stick to this video till the end because I'm about to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. Let's dive into the list. Starting at number 6, we have WriteSonic. This AI tool is a game changer for writers producing SEO friendly and plagiarism free content. Simply provide a brief description with a keyword and WriteSonic does the rest. Their affiliate program is impressive, offering a solid 30% lifetime recurring commission on their unlimited and business plans. Moving on to number 5, we have got Jasper, a personal favorite. You know, Jasper is a versatile AI tool for writers, ideal for various content types including YouTube scripts, blog posts, and sales pages. The platform even includes training to help you unlock its full potential. The affiliate program for Jasper is enticing, providing a 25% recurring commission on their creator and team plans, translating to $11.70 per user. Now let's talk about Pictory at number 4. You know, Pictory is a remarkable AI video creation tool that allows you to produce cinema quality videos with human-like voiceovers in a matter of minutes. What sets their affiliate program apart is their generous cookie life. As a new affiliate, you can earn at around 20% recurring commission with the potential to increase it up to 50% as you grow. Securing the third spot is Synthesia, another powerful AI video tool. Synthesia stands out with its avatar feature, enabling you to create video avatars for a diverse selection of over 140 AI characters. Moreover, it offers voiceovers in more than 120 languages. When we talk about affiliate program, it provides a solid 20% recurring commissions on all personal plans for up to 12 months. And number 2 in the list is Copy.ai. Similar to Jasper, Copy.ai specializes in generating content based on your prompts. What makes it exceptional is its ability to understand your business information, tailoring content to your brand, products, and target audience. You know, Copy.ai affiliate program is a winner, offering a generous 45% revenue share for an entire year. And now the grand champ at number 1 is InVideo.ai. You know, InVideo.ai is an online video editing platform that utilizes AI technology to help users create professional videos quickly and easily. The platform offers features such as a seamless AI video creator, customizable video templates, and a user-friendly interface for editing and enhancing videos. InVideo.ai is ideal for content creators, YouTubers, marketers, and businesses looking to maximize resources and lower production costs. The platform also provides a 24/7 human support team and a community of creators for feedback and collaboration. Additionally, it offers an affiliate program with a commission rate of 25% to 50% per sale, allowing individuals to earn commissions by promoting the product. And the program is open to a global audience and provide a link management dashboard for affiliates to track their performance and earnings. If you are interested in joining the affiliate program, you can sign up through their application process. Now, if you're considering stepping into the world of affiliate marketing with these AI tools, creating content on YouTube could be your golden ticket. Consider focusing on specific tool, such as InVideo.ai. This would be the great fit for you to create your YouTube channel and monetize it and start making money from that. I've created a dedicated video which I would be linking in the description down below, or you can find it on the screen anywhere it would be popping up. Please click that and watch the complete presentation, how to earn money with InVideo.ai. Just imagine guys, if a normal Indian person like me who can sit at home and make money in dollars just by creating these automated systems as you can see on the screen, why can't you do the same and start making money for your success? And guys, as I promised, I would also like to give you a bonus worth thousands of dollars for absolutely free. As you can see on the screen, there are 4 different programs. The first program is called Launchpad Secrets, and this program would be helping you to start your affiliate marketing journey. And finally, you'll come to learn how to make your first $1,000 as an affiliate with this program. And the second one is Get More YouTube Views Organically. This program would be helping you out to grow on YouTube. With the combination of affiliate marketing, you'll come to know how to make even more money. And the third program is the Stasho Method, and this is for those individuals who like to start their own dietary supplement business from comfort of their home without any inventory or without any product. And the last program is 7 ways to get your first 5 clients, and this program is for those who would like to start their own agency or a freelance business. And you know, this is a no-brainer, so I request you to try out this program for sure. Well, to get access to this complete bundle, you have to either visit the first link in the description, get registered, and watch the 2 hours presentation on how we would be building systems to do affiliate marketing, or visit the URL which you are seeing on the screen and click on join team, and you would be invited to our community. And guys, if you are eager to learn more about affiliate marketing, where I'll be sharing my exact system to make money online around $5,000 to $10,000, then I request you to please visit the first link, get registered, and watch the complete presentation. And thanks for tuning in. Please don't forget to like this video if in case you like the strategies. Click on that subscribe button. I guess it might be shining. Go ahead and click on that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you won't be missing any next notification, as well as it would be motivating me to create new content for you. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I look forward to catching you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.